Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn literally anyone, a celebrity, your friend, even yourself, into a baby that talks. Yup, a full-on talking baby with AI. Sounds stupid, works brilliantly. Now, if you've seen those baby podcast videos going viral, yeah, this is that, but better. Because instead of some random kid voice, we're going to use the actual celebrity's voice or write our own script and make them say whatever we want. Ethically, that's a whole other conversation, but creatively, it's gold. Anyway, in a previous video, I showed you how to make baby podcast avatars. People liked it, but a bunch of you kept asking, can I do this with celebrities? Short answer, yes. Longer answer, that's what we're doing right now. And just so you know where this is going, here's the final baby video we're going to make by the end of this tutorial.
Don't call me Mr. President. I have friends that for 35 years, hey Don, how you doing? Hey Donnie, I love you, Donnie. Now they call.
And this one.
You know how people say, follow your passion? Yeah, well, I was passionate about naps and pizza.
Before we start, do the classic YouTuber thing. Hit that like button, smash subscribe, all that nonsense. Or don't, but it helps. All right, no fluff, no tech jargon. 2 methods, 1 mission, make a baby celebrity talk. Let's go. First, you need a short video of a celebrity actually talking. Not just standing there, not dancing, talking. That's the voice we're going to turn into baby audio gold. For this demo, I'm using a random clip I found on TikTok. Yes, this one. Because the voice is super recognizable, and honestly, baby style is just disturbing in the best way. So I grab the link to that TikTok video. Simple. Then I go to a site called TikTokio. Paste the link in there, hit download, scroll down, and hit download MP3. That gives you just the sound. No video, just the audio we need. Cool. Now we've got the voice. Next, we need a photo of the celebrity. Just Google something like Donald Trump speech. Find one where they're facing forward, right-click and save it. Now here's the magic part. We're gonna turn that adult celebrity photo into a baby. And not just any baby, like a mini version that still kind of looks like them. Creepy? Yep. Effective? Also, yep. So I open ChatGPT. I upload the celebrity photo, select from here, create an image, then use this exact prompt. Turn this person's image into a baby version while preserving their unique facial features and appearance. Keep the image size 9:16 for shorts, or you can use 16:9 for YouTube videos. That's it. You hit enter, wait a moment, and bam, baby Trump is born, or baby Ronaldo, or baby you, whoever you uploaded. Download that image. Next step, we make it talk. All right, we're going to use an AI tool called Pippit, powered by Capcut. And before you panic, no, it's not one of those paid-only tools. You get a free 1-month trial, which is more than enough to mess around and make a bunch of baby clips for fun or content. So go to Pippit, create an account, or just sign up with your Gmail. Takes like 30 seconds. And once you're in, find this feature called AI Talking Photo. That's the only feature we care about right now. Click it. Now upload your baby-fied celebrity photo. You can crop it if needed, but don't overthink it. Just make sure the face is centered, clear, and not chopped in half. Once the photo's uploaded, check this box and hit next to proceed it. It's going to ask you 2 things. Do you want to use a script or upload an audio clip? Since we're doing the voice clip method first, we're going to upload that MP3 we downloaded earlier from TikTok. One heads up though, the audio clip has to be under 17 seconds. So if you need to trim the audio, I recommend using Audacity. It's free, it's simple, and it gets the job done without subscription. Just drag and drop your audio in Audacity, highlight the part you want to keep, again, under 17 seconds. Then go to File and Export Audio, name it, and make sure you select Current Selection before exporting. Boom, clean little audio bite, ready to go. Now go back to Pippit, upload the trimmed audio, preview it, then hit export. You can tweak the export settings if you want, then hit download. Now, and this part always cracks me up. It'll say something like, it may take 42 minutes. That is not the exact time it will take. Every time I've done this, it took around 7 to 15 minutes. While it's processing, you can even start making another video. Just hit create again and repeat the process. Once it's done, congratulations. You've officially created a talking baby celebrity using nothing but free tools.
Don't call me Mr. President. I have friends that for 35 years, hey Don, how you doing? Hey Donnie, I love you, Donnie. Now they call Mr. President, sir. How are you?
Let's take it even further. Next up, writing your own script and making your baby say whatever you want. First up, grab a photo. In this case, I'm using Alex Hormozi. Google a clean photo of him, front-facing, sharp, nothing too crazy. Right-click, save it. Then go back to ChatGPT and upload that image. Select Create an Image. In the message box, type, convert this person's image into a baby wearing a podcast headset, keeping their facial identity recognizable. Use the size 9:16 for shorts. ChatGPT will do its thing. And a few seconds later, boom, tiny Alex Hormozi Hormozi is born, headset and all, ready to talk. Download that image. Now it's script time. You could write it yourself. Or, if writing isn't your thing, just ask ChatGPT to do it. Say something like, write a short 15-second podcast script in a blunt, humorous, and conversational tone, using simple language to explain a complex idea in a relatable way. That's it. Let it generate a script. If it sucks, say, try again. Rinse and repeat until it hits. Found one you like? Great. Head back to Pippit, hit Create New, upload your baby photo of Hormozi, or whoever you're using. Check this box and hit Next to proceed it. Go ChatGPT and copy that short script, and let's bring it to life. Paste it in this box. Now here's the fun part. Pick a voice. Pippit gives you a few to choose from, male, female. Just pick one that fits the vibe. You can test them out till one clicks. Optionally, you can also show captions by enabling them and picking a caption style. It's not necessary, but it helps if you want people watching on mute, which, let's face it, is half the internet. Then hit export. You can tweak the export settings if you want, then click download.
You know how people say, follow your passion? Yeah, well, I was passionate about naps and pizza. Didn't pay the bills. Passion's cool, but skills pay rent. Learn stuff and then add passion.
There are a bunch of other features on Pippit that are worth messing with. If you're feeling curious, go explore. Links in the description. Sign up while the free trial's still a thing. If this tutorial saved you time, do me a favor. Hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe. I make videos like this all the time. Fast, fun, and straight to the point. All right, I'm out. Go make some weird baby videos and tag me if they go viral. See you in the next one.